Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to show formulas in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, why should we show formulas? It is a way for us to understand a certain spreadsheet on what it does automatically by just seeing what is currently presented. You don't have to click on the cells one by one just to show the formula of each. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and go to the Formulas tab on the top portion of Excel. Once we're in here, all we have to do is go to Formula Auditing and click on Show Formulas. Once we do so, the columns will be extended to give way to the formulas themselves. Now, we can easily see which function a certain cell does. As you can see, just by looking at the data presented, we can see that the total for this row is represented by this formula over here, same as the row below it and the other one, and to the last. Same as this one, all the values on top of it is summed up and shown over here. If ever we want to hide the formulas again, it's quite easy. All we have to do is click on the Show Formulas button again, and there we go. Every column that was extended to give way for the formula is now retracted. And there we have it. This is how you show formulas in Microsoft Excel.